Hello, welcome to Vasken Hub, and in this video we'll be looking at this app called the mysterious Satoshi app. Yes, it's mysterious, but in this video I will try as much as possible to demystify everything for you as much as possible. So basically this Satoshi app is the world's #1 free airdrop platform, and it has various outstanding projects. This Satoshi apps aims at connecting users like you with high-end projects, high-quality projects, allowing you to get these top projects token for free. Yes. So why won't you want to be a part of something like this? All you have to do is choose whichever projects you are interested in. At every point in time, there are always one or two projects that you can choose from. So all you have to do is just to choose the project that you're interested in getting the airdrop, and the system will run one round. That's each round of airdropping for an hour. So thereafter you can come at a convenient time to claim your airdrop, and that's it. It's that easy. So, but the determining factor of how much airdrop you can get is going to be your hash power. And in this video, I will spend some time showing you how you can increase your hash power and thereby maximize your airdrop collection per round. So if that's what you are interested in, just sit tight and watch this video to the end, and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. So let's continue. Before we continue, if you check in the description, there's a link that I've kept there, and it's for those of you that are interested in joining this app. I have a link there that you can join and become part of this wonderful app, this Satoshi mysterious app. Yes, so I'll just walk you through the screen now. You look at the screen, you see at the top free airdrop, blah blah blah. So if you come to the bottom, you see 5 tabs. Currently it's on airdrop here. The next one is project, the one at the middle is team. I'm looking at the bottom now. Then you have quote and you have me. So if you click on that link in the description and register, you download the app. So just a quick one here. When you get to that page to download the app, after you register, when you want to download the app, download the APK file. Do not go to Play Store. This app is not on the Play Store. Yes, download the APK app, and when you are installing, click on your phone that you trust this vendor, and complete the installation normal. I'm sorry for our iPhone users, you will not be able to use this app. It only works on Android. So that is that. So once you finish registering and you download the app, when you open it, first things first, you come down to this place. So you come at the bottom to this where we have me here. You click on me. When you click on me, you see hello, then you see your email there after you log in. When you log in, so you come here, click on this hello, and click on your country. Choose your country. Choose your country. Right now I'm in Nigeria, so I've taken Nigeria. So that's the first thing to do. The second thing to do, very important, is this verification. I'm not a robot verification. Click on it and follow the screen. If you see my own here, it's saying that I'm already verified. So make sure you do this. Without this, you cannot get involved in any airdrop. So make sure you do these 2 things before you come and get involved in any airdrop. So after you finish that, you come back to airdrop tab here, and the layout will look like this. So for you just click on, come back to projects. You come back to projects. This is all the projects that have been on this platform for some time now. See test coin A, there are some at the test coin B, test coin A. This is OpenX. This is BitGet. This is BitGet. I was telling you that we have good projects on this platform. This was from BitGet wallet. This is Glyph, another nice project. just ended some months ago. Then this is the last one that ended. If you see from here, it ended, started in May 2024, and it ended in July this month. Yes. So if you see the status, you see that it's completed. It's completed. So this is the last one that was on this platform. So the one currently on now is the Coretardio, and the CTO token. So if you see now, we're already 18.2%, but you can still join at this point. The process has taken up to 18.2%, and you can still join now. It's estimated to end on the 11th of September. On the 11th of September. So that's the projected, and you can click on it and it will open further for you. So this is the estimated end time, 11th of September. So let's go back. So if you click on it, for me, if you look at the top here, top right corner, you see exit airdrop. Why it's showing like that is because I'm already participating in this airdrop. You get? So for you will see participate in airdrop. So that's what you click for you to start getting this airdrop immediately. So you click on it, participate, and OK it, and it will take you, it will open for you, and you start in the next one. It might not start now because the hour just passed now. You see 4:03, 3 minutes ago. That was when this round, the previous round, just ended, and the present round has started. So if you are joining now, you will not be able to take part in this hour. So just be patient, wait for some minutes till the next hour, then you see that you have started the airdrop. So having said that, I would like to show you some other things at the bottom here. The app is actually loaded. If you see this the second from the right, after me, second from the right, you can get your real-time quote. This is the present quote for BTC at the moment, 66,807.54. Ethereum is $3,452.69. So the app is loaded, my guys. The app is loaded. So here, team, you see your team members. These are my team members. This person and this one, they are currently airdropping. These guys are not, they are registered, but they are not participating in this present airdrop. This is my level 1 and this is my level 2 team members. So that's that. So here is back to the project. Then we'll come back to airdrop. So in this is where you'll be interfacing with regularly. And I will show you now the ways that you can increase your hash power. Remember I said that what would determine the amount of airdrop that you'll be getting is your hash power. As your hash power increases, your airdrop allocation will also do what? It will also increase. So I will show you some ways that you can increase your hash power. So if you use my link to join, you'll get free 100,000 hash. That's 100k. That's where you'll be starting from, because you use my link. 100k. You have 100k to start with. So that's your allowance, sign up allowance for using my link. So the next way you need to do, next thing you need to do to increase your hash from that 100k is by what? Is by this same referral system. You have to bring in people. You have to build your battle team. That's what it's called, building your battle team. So you get the more referrals you get, the more your hash rate will increase. If you see my own now is 413.9k. Are you getting? My team members is 7, although only 2 are currently dropping. So you see that your hash rate will begin to increase the more people you bring in terms of building your battle team. Your hash rate will also do what? It will also increase. Now, the next way you can the next thing you can do to increase your hash is by what? Is by gift cards. If you see this line here, we come to gift tab here. That's gift tab, gift card tab. Yes, let me erase it. If you come there, you see that there are cards that you can share with your referrals. Yeah, anyone you refer, you shared one of these cards. They can only get one card from you, so you can share one of these cards with them. And what will happen is that they will get 30,000. That's 30k, while you will get 1k. So each person you bring and you share your gift card with, you get 1k. You will get 1k, while the user, the person you will use it, will get 30k. And so I also have some of my gift cards in the description. Yes, so you can use any of them. You can use any of my gift cards there. You are going to get 30k immediately, and I myself, I will get 1k. So make sure that you use some of those gift cards in the description. Thank you very much. So let's proceed. The next way to increase your hash rate is by exchanging hash cards. Is by what? Exchanging hash cards. So if you come to the next tab to the left from this gift card, you see your hash card. So right now I don't have any hash card here. I don't have any hash card because I've used the ones that I have. You get? So but for everybody, your first 32 is in this instructions here. You can read it later. Your first 32 hash cards will come one per day. Then the next subsequent 8 will come one in 2 days intervals. Every other day you get one hash card, and it will keep reducing like that and like that. So make sure that you use your first 5 that you will get immediately. As you join now, you will get about 5. Make sure you use them immediately. Then the next thing is how to claim your airdrops. Remember I said the system runs the airdrops on an hourly basis. So every round is 1 hour. So after 1 hour, you can come and claim your airdrop. But in case you are not chanced, you can come and claim it at a convenient time. But make sure that you come at least once a day, because after 25 rounds, the system is going to place you on pause and you will not get further airdrops. So try as much as possible, at least if you are not chanced, at least once in a day, come and claim your airdrops, so that you keep airdropping and the system will not pause you. So if you see right here now, if you scroll down, you see that each round I get 9.8 CTO. So this is what we are airdropping. Remember, this is the project that we are airdropping, CTO, which is the short form for Coretardio. Yes, so right now with my hash, I'm getting 9.8 approximately per hour. So if you go scroll down, you see that this was for this hour 4 o'clock, this was for the next hour 3 o'clock, this was for 2 o'clock, and like that. And you see that I have about 20. It says show all 20. I have about 20. I kept them because I wanted to make this video so that I will show you how this thing look like. So I can claim it now. You see that if I claim it, if I click on claim here, you see that my CTO balance here, which is at the top here, after BTC CTO, you see that it's 2,235.34 blah blah blah. If I click on claim, you see that those figures will begin to increase because it's going to accumulate all this that I have, all this airdrop for me. It's going to claim them into my wallet. So if I click claim now, let me click claim. So watch what will be happening there. You see the numbers are increasing. So it has increased. So you see that there's nothing to claim here. So I will need to come back in the next approximately 48 minutes to come and collect my next claim. So that is that about this. So at this point, I don't want the video to be very long. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I will attend to them as quickly as possible. Then make sure you use the link in the description. Go and join this project. It has great prospects. Yes, go and do your research. You see, go to all those projects. You see that very nice projects. So you need to do the needful immediately. Like this video, remember to share it with your loved ones. Remember to subscribe to my channel so that you will get more videos, and hit the notification bell so that you get informed when next I publish my next video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.